Welcome back to Rosa's Portuguese kitchen. Today we are making Cataplana de Tamboril, a rich and flavorful seafood dish that's packed with the essence of the Portuguese coast. With tender monkfish, juicy shrimp, and aromatic vegetables, this dish is slow cooked to perfection in the traditional Cataplana. It's a comforting meal that brings friends and family together. Stay with me and I'll show you how to make it step by step. Monkfish Cataplana. 300 grams of monkfish loin, 6 shrimp, 100 milliliters of olive oil, 300 milliliters of white wine, 2 small onions sliced in julienne, half red bell pepper sliced in julienne, 2 ripe tomatoes chopped, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 bay leaves, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 2 tablespoons red pepper paste, 4 potatoes thickly sliced, salt and pepper to taste, and parsley for garnishing. Place the onions, the peppers, the tomatoes, and the monkfish in the cataplana. Add the sliced potatoes on top. Season with olive oil, white wine, tomato paste, bay leaves, and chopped garlic. Add the salt, the pepper, the red pepper paste, and a bit of chili, optional. Cover and cook over medium heat for 15 minutes. Add the peeled shrimp and parsley. Cover again and cook for another 10 minutes. Serve hot straight from the cataplana. And that's a wrap. Today we made Cataplana de Tamboril, a dish bursting with rich flavors from the sea and slow cooked to perfection. I hope you had fun following along. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more traditional Portuguese dishes. Have a favorite recipe you'd like me to make? Drop your suggestions in the comments. See you in the next episode. E coma!